Salam alaikum. Fitnah ho ya, keep there ya from Tagazoot.
Small world we're living in, rock set in stone. One life I've been living in. Come on, let's go. I wanna get.
Look at Anas and Muhammad Simo. What's up? Today we're making Tagine. Tagine. Morocco Tagine.
I wanna get low. Come on, I wanna smoke a little split with you.
What do we have here? Tomatoes, capsicums, potatoes, cucumbers, carrots, parsley, coriander or whatever. And
Lord knows I'm not a fool. I'm just crazy for you. I can feel it in the way things go. Lord, what I do. I wanna get high. I wanna get low. Come on, I wanna smoke a little split with you. I wanna get high. I wanna get low. Come on, I wanna smoke a little split with you. I wanna get low. Come on, I wanna smoke a little split with you.
Chicken Tagine. Simo, Anas, and underserved cooking Tagine.
Smoking love. Smoking love. Yeah, you know. Well, everything is alright, girl.
Tagine.
This is the last one.
So Tagine is actually basically a lot of arranging work and cutting work, and also a long time.
Yeah.
And the Tagine cooks. Looks like we're gonna have our first Tagazoot rain soon.
That Bob Marley strain will make you feel no pain, you know. This smoke I feel me brain. Listen.
Everyone,
Hey, here we go. ربيك ما صارت تصير ونكس المجيد اترك تسي
Hey guys, great. It's really tasty and so good.
some own
olive
Yeah.
oil bread. This is typical Moroccan bread.
There's one also.
The best bread ever. This round shaped thing, you know. And Bismillah. Let's enjoy Tagine.
You know me now go change, you know. Let's sip some good champagne and pop some good champagne. I hope you feel the same, you know. And girl, don't play no games because you know what I'm talking about.
Once you reach the chicken, it's like you reach the treasure. You arrive at the treasure. I would say it's such a beautiful Tagine.
Beautiful Tagine, beautiful,
Beautiful sunset.
beautiful Corona family here. Everyone is happy, we're happy, we have food, we have ocean, we have sun, oxygen. What do we need more?
Nothing more. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Corona! Happy birthday, Corona!
I wanna smoke a big split with you, cause you're my smoking love.